Hey everyone, you're watching GetAssist.net and I'm back again with a brand new video where I will show you how you can create a group chat on Snapchat. So if you are interested, make sure you watch the video till the end, and before I start, make sure you have subscribed to my channel, and now let's get started. So first of all, you just have to open your Snapchat app, and then you have to tap the chat icon given at the bottom corner of the screen, not the corner, next to the corner option, the chat icon. And now you have to tap on the message icon, new message icon. You might find it at the top for Android device, and for iOS device you might find it at the bottom right corner. So tap on new message. Here you will see the option to create a new group. So as you can see, you can chat with up to 100 friends. So now Snapchat allows you to create a group with as many as 100 friends. What you need to do is simply tap on it, and now here you will see all your friends that you can add to this group. All right, or you can even search your friends by name. So you just have to select your friends whom you want to add to the group, and then click on chat with group at the bottom. So this will create the group. As you can see, you created the group and added these two friends. All right, and if you want to add more people, you can simply type add to group, and again you can add people, and you can even invite your friends via link. All right, so that's a new feature right here. So that's how easy it is to create a group, and you can edit your group as you want. You can add a name for your group. So that's how you can easily create a group and have a chat with all your friends on Snapchat. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to stay notified of all my latest videos. And for now, I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.